Betrayal echoes long after it ends. If you're watching this, it means the betrayal hasn't finished speaking to you yet. It means something inside you is still trying to make sense of the echoes that moment left behind. And I get it because I've been there. I remember replaying things in my mind long after the relationship was over. Not because I wanted them back, but because my spirit was still trying to process a truth I didn't see coming. That confusion, that heaviness, it stays with you. Betrayal doesn't end when the relationship ends. It lingers. It whispers. It leaves pieces of itself inside your confidence and your identity. It shows up in the quiet moments when you're alone, long after everyone else thinks you're over it. And you already know this. The memory doesn't just hurt. It reshapes you. It shifts something inside of you. And if you're here, it's because you can feel that shift. But let me tell you something I had to learn myself. You're not broken. You're not being dramatic. You're not holding on to the past. Your body is still trying to finish a conversation your mind never got to have. Your nervous system remembers the shock. Your heart remembers the lie. And your spirit remembers the moment the truth shattered what you believed. What changed everything for me was realizing this. Betrayal doesn't speak to punish you. It speaks to wake you. Wake you to your worth. Wake you to your boundaries. Wake you to the version of you who refuses to be blinded by potential ever again. You are not behind in your healing. You are becoming. And becoming is messy. It's painful and beautiful all at the same time. If this message found you at the right moment, like, comment, and subscribe so you don't have to grow through this alone. I'm walking this with you.